What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. This is Terry. Alright guys, happy 4th of July. I hope you got big plans. Always remember to be safe, have a DD, and if you're going to be stupid, you gotta be tough, man. That's what my dad always told me. Everything has got consequences. Just use your head and do the right thing. And guess what else? We reached our goal. We have purchased a Nikon Coolpix P1000 camera. It is en route to me as we speak. It should be here on the 14th or 15th of this month. And then give me a couple of days, and then I will get familiar with it, and then I'll start putting out videos. All right. Well, I want to say a special thank you to all the subscribers who donated to this fund. Thank you so much, each and every one of you, from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. And as promised, we are going to have a cash giveaway. I'm going to draw 3 names out of a hat. I've got a list of everybody who's donated. First prize is going to be $100 cash Visa. Second is going to be $50 cash Visa. And then third is going to be $25 cash Visa. What I need you to do is reach me through the contacts, and then I will get your email, and then we'll correspond for your address. That way I can contact you and get these mailed out to you. Alright, so what we've got here, I've got a pretty exciting video coming up. It takes place in Hungary, and it was recorded on June the 29th of this year, 2020. And what we've got is, it appears to be a cigar-shaped UFO. Here are some other examples of cigar-shaped UFOs that have been caught through the years. Where these objects come, I don't know. What do they want? Again, I do not know. They just seem to simply observe. During Soviet probe Phobos 1 and 2, the last picture it showed was a cigar-shaped object before it disappeared, lost forever. Now let's get on to the video. Now here is the original. You can look in the upper left, and you see this object shoot through the clouds. I'm going to show it to you once more. Right here, upper left. It comes into sight, and then off to the back, and it's gone. Now I've inverted the color to bring out the picture a little bit more. You can see that this object, it just kind of goes straight and then back behind the mountain over there. Now zoomed in, you can see the trail of it going down. So what is this object? Are we looking at a cigar-shaped object? Are we looking at a tic-tac? It's definitely not a plane. There's no wings. There's no, it looks like a cylinder. It looks like a cylinder-shaped object. Now, how big is it? Well, we got the houses at the bottom, then we can see the cylinder at the top. So I would say 20 to 30 feet long. I would say it's very large and very fast. So what is it? Where is it going? What is it doing? And who's in it? Those are the questions. Who's got the answers? So leave a comment. Tell me what you believe that this object could be, and let's talk about it. Now that we got more cameras in the sky, on the ground, we are going to see a lot of amazing things that have been going on that we've just not noticed. Now, I don't think this is new activity. I think this is activity that has been going on for a very long time, and we have just never noticed it until recent times. Because, the world is a lot smaller place now with technology. So give me your opinion. Tell me what you think, and then we'll decide. Alright guys, so I guess we're going to wrap up the video, but I wanted to first give you a shout out and say happy 4th of July. Y'all be safe, have a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share the videos with others. Put them on whatever platform that you put them on, and let's get the word out there. Alright guys, this is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.